Oh, elles ont été plutôt bonnes. On a été devant un groupe intéressant. Ensuite, c'est comme tout, c'est des relations personne à personne. On a tous essayé de faire en sorte qu'on aboutisse à quelque chose de viable. Et moi, j'en garde quand même un bon souvenir.
I think it's really innovative way of solving different problems. This time is the digitalization of energy, and even I'm just engineer. I like to solve this problem with my logics and my creativity. I really like this way. Yeah, I would recommend it really not only to engineers, but all the people who are interested in innovation to come see how fast you can actually develop something and how creative it can get and how you can pitch things. It's just about learning, experience in 24 hours.
I'm not a professional developer, but I was there and I could bring something, so come on as well.
I think it's a great opportunity, so I will try to participate next year in different topic also.
Yeah, obviously I think this kind of method is the way to innovate very quickly, and it can be applicable to anything, so I believe we have to improve in any other field, so I would be ready to come back as well.